Hey, this is Sandeepan here and this is my second video on my Python tutorials. Here I am going to run the first Python program to print hello world on the screen. So let's get started. So first I am going to create a new folder and name it as Python. After installing, the icon of the Python compiler is something like that. What we have to do, just open the file location where the compiler is located and then copy these two files and paste it to the Python folder on the desktop. Now open the Atom text editor. You can see that the folder is showing here as well as its contents. First, save this file as any name with the file extension .py. I am going to save it as hello.py. Now let's write the code to print a hello world on the screen. So I am writing print under parenthesis hello world under double quotation. Now we are going to run our Python code on command prompt. For this we have to open the folder containing the compiler on command prompt because our program is going to be compiled by this compiler and that's why we have to copy those two files to our Python folder to access the compiler. So let's open the command prompt. Copy the path of our folder and open this folder on command prompt, pasting the path followed by a cd. That's it. Now just write python space file name that is hello.py and here we will get the output. You can run your code just by typing hello.py because the compiler is already in the same folder and it will produce the same output. So that's all for today. Stay connected because I will release the next tutorials soon. If you like this video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.